what's up, guys?
Hi.
Hey, how you went? Hey, what's going on? Looks, oh my god, unbelievable. Сол қазақша сосын ағылшынша тілінде видео блог шығарып. Bro, I say something. He's just laughing, you know. And my friend, he's looking at me and laughing. He didn't tell me hi. Can you tell hi?
Привет, Кадира.
Азиз. Жұмысың қалай?
Нормально, пойдем.
Бай ақша. Қыздар сынды жүр екен ол.
Big waves into motion, like how I sing the word.
Я попробую знакомый камеры. Это знаете, на улице пошли посмотрим. Это мы увидели. Ладно, мы пошли тогда. Рахмет. О, беги здесь защиты там. Что-то душно просто, да? Что-то дымно. Где твои?
Ben droş yok, öyle bayında.
But first, let me take a selfie.
Hi.
No, they were gonna beat me up.
Very. Are you okay?
What? I just couldn't find a way. I went all the way around. Hi.
Only Kazakh boys here. Only Kazakh boys.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
You scared?
Just kidding. That's a boys. Whatever.
Sorry.
Too late now to say sorry.
Jennifer, or you like?
Jennifer, I got it.
But then you
No.
was like, you stopped.
He
got
said
food here.
maybe. He. Yeah. Usually.
So this is where you live? You guys live here?
Жанель, пообщайся чуть-чуть, пожалуйста. Kobe, sit down, please.
No, this is so cool. What's the matter? That's great. You guys working?
Капец. Это наш, сами работают, короче. И мы вообще не думаем, что нужно. Как английский? Импрув. Сможем выступить? Давай, Настя. Асхат вообще, короче, забыл на свежий. Капец, забыл.
Информация видим по чуть-чуть надо?
Что, Казахстан есть шаурма?
Да не, мясо американское.
Да ладно, казахское.
Мясо говорю.
Казахстанская шаурма.
Сурет бар ғой, сурет.
Алла, вы где взяли его?
Нет, не ешь пока.
Не купи, здесь сядь у нас на самом деле.
А Владимир была бармеспа. Сладкую привез. С Казахстана еще. 2 месяца назад. Как сегодня так красиво. Майжан, май қатырып еще мен айтады ғой бәрі айтады. Типа, жұмыстар жамбылда, типа, на гелике приехал. Я такая выхожу, а там, короче, темно, ничего не видно, но весь черный круг. I got it. Я такая, Асхат, общайся с ним? Хотя бы чуть-чуть. Общайся с ним.
Where are you from, man? Huh? Where are you from?
Boston.
I'm from Boston. Boston? Yeah. Oh my God, it was a really beautiful city in America.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe it's capital Massachusetts, but Massachusetts is very good state, and Boston for me is a very good city.
Really?
Yeah, for me, I don't know why. You have to go there at night because New York is very dirty city.
Бостон просто.
No,
I know, я была в Бостоне.
ты была не там.
Там воняет, но не так, как я.
Вспомни Нью-Йорк вчера там. Манхэттен. Вообще. What's your name?
Kobe. They call me Kobe, so my real name is David.
David? David?
Yeah, I work
Yeah, for me, David Easy.
Yeah.
What?
David, look easy.
Ты что, не знаешь меня?
How old are you?
For me? Yeah. How you doing?
20. No?
No, older.
21? 25?
Older.
Older.
How old? How old are you?
24. I think so.
And where you work?
I work with them. I work with Jennifer and them.
Jennifer, Asujam. How it goes?
Hey, I'm hungry.
What are you guys doing? What's going on inside?
Surprise!
Okay, let's do surprise. Let's get in.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
I'm just shooting video.
Да, у него в Ютубе же канал, так что походу туда закинь.
What's your name, buddy? Are you from Kazakhstan?
Yes.
Everybody's from Kazakhstan. Okay, guys, let's go inside.
Партия проституток приехала.
Trying to go in. Doors closed. I don't believe that. What's going on here? Everybody's coming. I'm just trying to say, hey, what's up? Where are you? What's your name?
Kobe.
Kobe?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Boston.
He's from Boston, guys. Do you know? Oh my God, unbelievable. Hyann is Boston. What are you doing here? Oh.
I'm just chilling.
Oh. So, guys, tonight we have like Kazakh, like traditional food, like something party. Oh, what's up? This is the Asulhan, right? Askat. I'm sorry, buddy. This is the ladies from Kazakhstan.
Hi.
And everybody's like, ooh, ooh. Oh, do you have a monocle?
Привет. Пыстым. Дай тарелку. Давай,
Oh, really?
давай, Асхат. Тоқта.
Do here, bro. Do here. You gotta show backside. The background has to see everyone in the city. Do you guys have a fridge? Do you guys have a fridge?
Ну, когда будет готово, соберем. Процесс приготовления.
Через фронт не проходит.
Yeah, no problem. Say something. Қалай жағы? Everything's cool, right? Ол жігіт шаршап жұмыстан келген болатын. I don't want to say what they're doing, but it's a good job and a good money, right? Chef, seafood, bartender, sushi bar, man from Boston. I would like to use fridge. May I use? What's up? Oh, it's empty. Oh my God, what are you doing? What are you doing? Did you see my camera here? Don't.